Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will show you how you can send attachments from your contact form to your Gmail, and that too for free. So for this project we will be using NodeMailer, Node.js and basic HTML and CSS. So at first let's make our contact form. So simply paste this code over here. So this is basic HTML for the contact form that we will be using, and we will give some styling to this contact form, and that style is just over here. So let me run this project and see how our contact form is looking. So this is our basic setup of the contact form. So when anyone fills in their details and fills in the attachment, how many attachments that they want, and then they can send this email to your service that you've set up. You can use any service, but for this project we will be using Gmail. Now the main part over here is the index.js file, because this is where we make our contact form functional. And like I said earlier, we will be using Node.js. So I have a pre-written code over here for Node.js. Also simply copy and paste this one over here and save it. So we will go through this index.js code so that you understand what we're doing over here, but I will also put this whole project in my GitHub repo, and then you can download it from there as well if you don't want to go through everything. And like I said earlier, we will be using Node.js. So at first you need to have Node.js installed in your device. If you don't have Node.js, then I have a separate video on how to install Node in your device, so you can go and have a look at that first and come to this video. So you can check your Node version just in the terminal. So to get this terminal, what you have to do is just go on terminal and click on new terminal, and over here you just type node-v and you'll see your Node version in the terminal. So I currently have version 22.1.0. now what we will do is we will install every requirements over here. So all these requirements needs to be installed. So at first what we will do is we will install Express. So we'll do npm i express, and I'll install npm i, I'll do npm. Yeah, I think that's it. So you just need to install Express, Molter and NodeMailer. So to run this project, what we will need to do is we will simply type node and whatever file name that you have for the JavaScript. So here I have index.js. I'll do that and run. Now you can see that our server is running on port 3000. So you open your browser and we will do localhost and that in port 3000, and we hit enter. Now you can see that our server is running, and currently our contact form is not functional because we have not set up our NodeMailer transporter, which is Gmail in this case. So what we need to do is now go to your Gmail account, top right hand corner in your account, you click on manage your Google account, and in this search bar what you type is app password, and you click on that and you enter your password to log in. Now once you're in there, you will need to create a new app name. So you can put this anything. So what I'll do is I'll just do demo for now and create. Now make a note of this password because we will be using this password in our code. So I'll copy that. So don't forget to copy that, because once you hit done you won't be able to get that password, right? So I'll save this somewhere so that we can use it later. Now you go back to your code, and here in this app passwords field you just paste that code. Right now in this user field you put your Gmail address where you want this contact form to send email to. So I'll put mine, Now you need to update few things over here as well. So your email address here will be, so I'll simply copy this from here and I'll paste it right here, and I'll paste it right here and save it. Once we're done with that, we do not need to change anything else. And just to give you heads up, we can only allow up to 10 files, 10 attachments at a time from this contact form. And one thing that you should note over here is you should get rid of this space over here. Now let's check if our contact form is functional. So what I'll do is put code easy and email as demo@demo.com. subject will be test, and this is just the test, and we'll add a few attachments. So I'll add that and that, and we'll send email. Now this will take some time, and here you can see email sent successfully, and we click on OK. Now let's go and check if we received that email. Now here you can see we already received that email, and we received that email as test from demo@demo.com, and this is just the test. So this is what we sent as message, and this is what we received, and we've also received those two attachments as well. So in this code there is nothing much that you need to make changes to. You just need to fill in your details and your password, that app password that we just created from the service that we're using for this tutorial, that is Gmail. And you just have to fill all your details, and you can attach maximum of 10 attachments from your contact form. So that's it. That's how you send attachments using NodeMailer, choosing the service that you want. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.